everyone, my name is Somto Omeje. I am 11 years old. I live at Mowe, Ogun State. Today, I am going to be baking vanilla fruit cake with Cakeflair cake mix. This is my vanilla flavor cake mix, and as you can see, I also have other flavors like chocolate and red velvet. I chose to use vanilla because it is my best flavor of cake. This is my mixed fruit, one of the very essential ingredients in what I am going to be baking today. I also have water, oil, eggs, and vanilla flavor. The beauty of using Cakeflair cake mix is that it is very easy to bake for anyone, and you don't need experience to use this to bake. Let's start.
Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze.
Tastes amazing. You should try it. Cakeflair cake mixes are available in every ShopRite store. Please like my video to give me a chance to win the Cakeflair Kiddies Baking Challenge. Thank you. Bye.